Good morning, children. We'll start with Hindi now. प्यारा भारतवर्ष हमारा. प्यारा भारतवर्ष हमारा means our dearest India. So we say no, मेरा महान India we say, no, प्यारा India we say, isn't it like that? So we love our country. India is our motherland. We love our country. कविता का परिचय means you are just saying about the poem. What is the gist of the poem? प्रस्तुत कविता में भारत के प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य तथा देश की महिमा का वर्णन करते हुए देश प्रेम का भाव जागृत किया गया है. प्रस्तुत कविता में भारत के प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य मीन्स the natural beauty of India. So it is full of greens, isn't it? Full of trees, plants, agricultural lands, all these things, no? So it has got a very good, beautiful nature. That's the meaning here. प्रस्तुत कविता में भारत के प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य. So you can see how it is. Okay? सौंदर्य तथा देश की महिमा, the importance and the famous of India. So importance of India का वर्णन करते हुए देश प्रेम का भाव. So वर्णन करते हुए means they are going to explain about or describing about the natural beauty of India. So महिमा का वर्णन करते हुए देश प्रेम का भाव जागृत किया गया है. So देश प्रेम means what? The love towards our country. देश प्रेम का भाव जागृत किया गया है. So importance and awareness of the natural beauty of India is explained in this poem. Once again I read. प्रस्तुत कविता में भारत के प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य तथा देश की महिमा का वर्णन करते हुए देश प्रेम का भाव जागृत किया गया है. कविता का उद्देश्य कविता बोध करवाना, प्रकृति प्रेम तथा देश प्रेम का भाव जागृत करना. कविता बोध करवाना means you have to learn this poem. प्रकृति प्रेम means you have to love the nature. तथा देश प्रेम and you have to love your motherland, your country. देश प्रेम का you should be a patriotic. Okay. देश प्रेम का भाव जागृत करना. So you should know how to love our country. Now, प्यारा भारतवर्ष हमारा हमको है प्राणों से प्यारा. प्यारा भारतवर्ष हमारा means our motherland is so beautiful and we love this motherland, which is that Bharat. Bharat is motherland, India. प्यारा भारतवर्ष हमारा हमको है प्राणों से प्यारा means we are giving more importance to our own life or lives. Okay, हमको है प्राणों से प्यारा. More than our life, we are giving importance to what? The natural beauty of India. यहाँ हिमालय खड़ा हुआ है. So India is having in the northern part. What is there? There is presence of a big mountain. Which is that mountain? Himalayan mountain. यहाँ हिमालय खड़ा हुआ है means this Himalaya is found in our country. Where? In the northern region. रक्षक बनकर हम सबका. So what is it? It is acting like a protector. So it is protecting our motherland from the other countries, isn't it? Especially Pakistan, the border countries. They want to just defeat India and they will be there. But what is this Himalaya doing? Himalaya is big mountain place. So it will not allow the other people to cross the boundary and come to India. यहाँ हिमालय खड़ा हुआ है रक्षक बनकर हम सबका. So it is protecting our country. बहती है जिसकी चोटी से गंगा माँ की निर्मल धारा. बहती है जिसकी चोटी से. चोटी is peak. See what is it doing? It is in the northern area and what is happening with this peak? Peak means the mountain ranges. It has got many peaks, that is mountains side by side. So we call it as mountain range. Because of this mountain range, what is it doing? It is protecting us. गंगा माँ की निर्मल धारा. So गंगा माँ की निर्मल धारा. निर्मल means clean. So what else is there in our country? There is the sacred river. Which is the sacred river? Ganges, or what you call it as Ganga river, isn't it? Ganga maa ki nirmal dhara. So Ganga maa ki nirmal. Nirmal means we have got clean water of Ganga. यहाँ see once again I'll read. प्यारा भारत वर्ष हमारा, हमको है प्राणों से प्यारा, यहाँ हिमालय खड़ा हुआ है, रक्षक बनकर हम सबका, बहती है जिसकी चोटी से गंगा माँ की निर्मल धारा. Understood this now? So here it is explained about the Himalaya and how it is protecting, and about this Ganga also, Ganga river, the sacred river. Next, coming to the next stanza. नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. हिमगिरी के शिखरों से बहते, कल कल करते सुंदर झरने, झरनों की मीठी बोली सा, लगता सबके मन को प्यारा. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? यू सी, हिमगिरी के शिखरों से बहते. लुक एट द स्नो कैप पीक्स. So that means Himagiri. Where is Himagiri? It is also a mountain range within the Himalayas itself. Himagiri is also a mountainous range. Means I told now where the mountains are found just side by side. The peaks are found side by side. So Himagiri ke shikaron se bahte. What is there? There are the mountain ranges of Himagiri. Where? In Himalayas. Kal kal karte sundar jharne. So what is happening? There is a sound. What is that? There is waterfalls. And what is that waterfalls making that sound? Kal kal. Okay, kal kal karte sundar jharne means the waterfalls. You can see here. Okay, can you see? See here. So this is a mountain range. Side by side you can see. Okay, Himagiri. And then what is that? Waterfalls. Kal kal karte sundar jharne, झरनों की मीठी बोली सा means when they are falling, what happens? They make sound, isn't it? So meaty means nice, sweet sound. Okay, that is the meaning here, sweet sound. When they are falling, you would have gone to some waterfalls, no? You would have heard that. How the sound is, how the sound will be formed when the water falls. Okay. So here, झरनों की मीठी बोली सा means they are as if we are just imagining they are talking to each other. The waterfalls means they are making a sound. लगता सबके मन को प्यारा. So when we just go near this area, how do we feel? We feel so happy. No, our heart will be filled with joy. That's the meaning here. लगता सबके मन को प्यारा. So everybody will be very happy when you go to this near Himalayas. Why? Because that's so beautiful. It is, the scenery itself is very, very beautiful. That when you see something very good, very beautiful, what happens? You also feel happy, isn't it? You will enjoy that nature, right? So that's the meaning here. So you can see here once again. So I'll read it for you once again. प्यारा भारत वर्ष हमारा, हमको है प्राणों से प्यारा, यहाँ हिमालय खड़ा हुआ है, रक्षक बनकर हम सबका, बहती है जिसकी चोटी से गंगा माँ की निर्मल धारा. हिमगिरी के शिखरों से बहते कल कल करते सुंदर झरने, झरनों की मीठी बोली सा लगता सबके मन को प्यारा। once again, प्यारा भारत वर्ष हमारा, हमको है प्राणों से प्यारा। यहाँ हिमालय खड़ा हुआ है, रक्षक बनकर हम सबका। बहती है जिसकी चोटी से गंगा माँ की निर्मल धारा। हिमगिरी के शिखरों से बहते कल कल करते सुंदर झरने, झरनों की मीठी बोली सा लगता सबके मन को प्यारा। So this much children you have to learn. I just say about the meanings here. Rakshak means protector, means one who saves us. Choti means here it is peak. Nirmal, clean. Himagiri, Himalaya. And remaining will be taking in the next class. Let me stop it here. Thank you.